Yes, good morning. I'm going to be going over some ASVAB questions in the math section. I'm going to start with the first one that they have posted on their website, which says if the tire of a car rotates at a constant speed of 552 times in 1 minute, how many times will it rotate in half an hour? So I can think in terms of a proportion, ratio, or some people may see that we're going to have to multiply. Just keep in mind that we need to have the same unit, so half an hour means I have to write in terms of minutes, so this is 30 minutes. So I know that in 1 minute, it rotates 552 times, which means in 30 minutes, it's going to rotate X times. Now I can see that my options here are pretty close together, actually not close together. So if I know that it's going to rotate, if it rotates 552 times in 1 minute, if I take, for instance, 500 times, then I know that my answer is going to have to be higher than that, because I'm rounding down. So if I do 30 or just 3 times 30 times 500, this gives me 15,000. So I can clearly see that it's not going to be this, because it is, it's not going to be this. It's going to have to be the 16,560. Keep in mind this test is non-calculator, and you do have limited time, so it might be a good idea to try to be efficient. Second question we have here, 1 in every 9 people in a town votes for Party A. All others vote for Party B. How many people vote for Party B in a town of 810 people? So I know that if 1 out of 9 people vote for Party A, then that means that in a total of 9 people, 8 out of 9 people will have to vote for Party B. And if that's the case now, if I have my total population is 810, then if 8 out of 9 vote for Party B, this is people, then how many people will be voting for Party B in a total population of 810? So I can simplify these two numbers. This can divide both by 9. This is a 1, it is a 90. 8 times 9 is 720. There is my answer. So, and we can see that that's the correct answer. Then we have the next one is a depreciation question. A motorcycle costs $72.50. If it depreciates by 12% per year, how much will it be worth after 1 year? So if it depreciates by 12%, it's going to be worth 88%, 100 minus 12. So I need to find out what 88% is, or 0.88 as a decimal. So I can just go ahead and quickly calculate. I can, if this is 7,000, if I do 7 times 8, I get 56. That's not enough to eliminate this option. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my math here. 725 times 88. And 58. And then we have here 58. So clearly it's gonna be higher than that. My answer is 6380. Okay. And last question, really quickly. It takes 5 seconds for 20 gallons of water to come out at this rate. That is telling me at this rate. Ratio, proportion. How many gallons of water comes out in 7 seconds? So in 5 seconds, we get 20 gallons. In 7 seconds, we are gonna get X gallons. I can simplify this side over here, divide both numbers by 5, because then I can do the math faster in my head. 7 times 4, 28, and we are finished.